Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence or AI tries to mimic the human brain? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI, neural networks, and brain-inspired technology. Let's get started! So what exactly are artificial neural networks or ANs? Imagine a network of interconnected nodes, much like the neurons in our brains. These nodes are organized in layers, and each node processes information. During training, the connections or weights between nodes are adjusted to learn specific tasks. For example, ANs can recognize objects in images, just like we do when we see a cat or a dog. They can also translate text from one language to another, and even play complex games like chess or Go. It's all about processing information and learning from experience, similar to how our brains work. Now, let's talk about constraints and trade-offs. Our brains are incredibly energy efficient and resourceful, and AI systems face similar challenges. Researchers at the University of Cambridge created an AI system with physical constraints. By making it harder to wire distant nodes, the system developed features similar to our brains. Just like our brains optimize energy usage, AI models aim to do more with less. Scientists also compare neural activity from humans and non-human primates to data from AI models. This helps us understand which AI programs work best and resemble brain processes. It's like comparing notes between humans and machines. While we're not quite there yet in replicating the complexity of the human brain, AI continues to evolve. So next time you encounter an AI system, remember that it's trying to think a little like our brains do, processing information, making decisions, and learning from experience. Whether you're chatting with a chatbot or marveling at self-driving cars, know that they're all part of this brain-inspired journey. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of AI and the brain. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the world of technology. See you next time.